Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you on our 03 Volvo V70 2.4 liter non-turbo how to jump start it with our jumper pack that we sell on our tool list on 1aauto.com. So if you lift your hood open, you'll see a positive marking for positive terminal end right there. You're going to lift that tab up, and underneath you'll see a big junction of a positive battery terminal, and I'm going to put the red connector jumpers right on that. And I'm going to take the black, the ground, and I'm going to go over here to the body. There is an engine hook right there. That's a good spot. Make sure it's nice and tight. Now I'll take the jumper pack. Now I will connect it to the jumper pack. I don't like to connect it prior, so you don't ever want those terminals to hit. So plugs in, that tells you it's plugged in, and then you hit the power button. And there's your power source. And then you can go in, turn the key over, start the car up. So once the car is started and it's running, safely disconnect it just by unpulling that, pulling it out of the block. And then you can disconnect your cables. And the reason why Volvo has these easy access jumping under the hood is because the battery is located in the trunk in its own casing, and you cannot get to it to use for jumper cables.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.